In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand mugs on Etsy with Printify. We'll walk from the Printify dashboard to publishing a finished mug listing on Etsy so you can start selling without holding inventory or managing shipping yourself. Start by opening the Printify dashboard. From here, head into the catalog and navigate to the mugs category. You'll see a variety of styles and sizes. For this demo, open a sample mug product like the classic black mug offered in 11 and 15 pesos. On the product page, review the print provider options carefully. Look at base cost, estimated production time, shipping locations, and available colors or finishes. Pick the provider and variants that fit your brand, margins, and delivery expectations. When you're ready, click Start Designing. Inside the editor, click Upload, then choose My Device. Browse your computer for your artwork and click Open. For best results, use a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background at 300 dpi, sized to the recommended print area for your chosen mug. This helps keep lines crisp and colors accurate after sublimation. Once your artwork appears on the canvas, edit the design. Position it within the safe print area and scale it as needed. Preview both left and right-hand orientations to make sure the design is visible the way you intend when someone holds the mug. Use the wrap preview to see how the artwork curves around the surface and avoid placing small text near the handle or edges where it may distort. If your design includes color near the rim, check how it looks against the mug's base color. When you're satisfied, click Save Product. This stores your design and generates mockups you can use for your listing images. Don't worry if the title or description are still generic. You'll refine those in the next step. Next, click Start Publishing. If your Etsy shop is already connected to Printify, you'll be prompted to send the product directly to Etsy. Now fill out the listing details. Write a clear, keyword-rich title. Describe the mug's material, size options, and care instructions. And set pricing that covers your production cost, marketplace fees, and profit. Choose which variants to offer, select strong mockups that showcase the design, and assign the correct shipping profile so delivery times and costs are accurate. Add tags and attributes that match shopper intent. Finally, click Publish. Printify will create a draft or active listing in your Etsy shop depending on your settings. Visit Etsy to double-check the listing, refine tags and categories, and review the photos. Before promoting, consider ordering a sample to verify print quality and capture your own lifestyle images. And that's it. You designed a mug in Printify and published it to Etsy in just a few minutes. Keep iterating on designs, monitor turnaround times, and respond promptly to messages to build trust and grow your sales.